I changed my mind off this bitch. I'm going to fuck home. It's about to go down. Ain't shit I need that bad. Shoot, chicken grill dude ain't there with the smoky grill chicken that I wanted. See about to open up. I know, Migo. Oh, I know. He had got his ass in the back. He just got. Oh, they better get that shit done. Migo, chill. Oh, his ass getting in the back, dude. All right. All I gotta do is go up here a couple streets, make a right, and then I'll be at the crib. Hold up. Doing the most. I bet I put this window up. It's going down. Dang, I still gotta go to the store. I bet I don't. I kinda want to though. Nah. I don't need to. It's too wet. I don't want to get wet. I just want to get home as quick as possible. Just came out to have a nice little ride, apparently. Y'all heard that thunder? Anybody got time for shenanigans? So look. Let me go. You alright, Meeks? Oh, Miko, you hear the thunder? Alright.